let me just.
Here, let me record your entrance video.
Hi guys, me and Auntie that is another YouTuber, and I've got to know a special news on all of this. Sorry, that's just a special news right now.
Okay, let's get back to the video. What are we doing today, Mitzi?
We are doing puppet trading.
Fidget trading.
Yeah, trading, actually.
Okay, let's go. That's right. So now we can see like the fidget trading. Right. So you can see Mitzi there.
Yeah.
I'm the camera girl apparently. Literally.
Yeah, even she's my best friend.
Alright. Right, so Ridley, were you gonna do an offer for me?
What? I'm gonna offer you.
You have to put it in the basket.
So I know, what would you offer me for a unicorn puppet?
Well, since I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 puppets, I will give you this pocket sticker, and it's 2-tone, 3-toned actually, yellow, white and pink, and then if like there it's just pink, so I'll add that, and then from the random box I'm gonna give her this pocket bracelet and this little tiny bit of a wacky track.
I have a wacky track too, and this is a little one.
Okay, Riverly, you accept?
Yeah,
I accept. Guys, oh my god, look, I got this pocket. It's so
yeah,
cute.
even it's mine.
Yeah, so it's purple, blue, green, yellow, and then orange here.
red.
Orange here, and then red right there. And I love it so much.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, do you hear that? I don't know if they can hear it, but it sounds so satisfying.
Yeah, I love that noise so much.
So anyway, Mitzi, I have a trade for you.
Okay, what is it?
What will you offer for, hold on, let me talk to you about it. Okay, anyway, let's get back. Okay, what will you trade me for this most legendary in the whole? So, it is giant. It is a legendary marble.
Okay, I'll give you this thing, and I know that you love it. Let me just show you guys it.
Oh my god, yes. Because I have like the brother
Yeah,
to
she
it.
loves it so much.
Because it's like, they're like brother and sister. Or
Yeah.
like lover bears, like.
Yeah,
Or
even
just,
it's that crazy. That's nearly Halloween, and it's nearly 5 and it's nearly Christmas too.
Can you add, because this is legendary, ain't it, guys? And it's got like something in the middle, like a pattern.
Are you truly like the puppet thing?
No, I do not want the pop tube because it's broken. Can I choose what I want?
No, you can't. And I got this one with the dogs.
Yeah, put that in there. Can I have like
Yeah, you can. Just show the guys. Show them.
Okay, so these are magnet rings. So we have 2 green, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. And whoever has magnet rings know how addictive they are. If you like are like really fiddly for fidgets. So yeah. That. So there's them in like a whole line, as you can see. Okay, what else will you trade me? Because this is legendary.
This thing.
No. This. And
Oh, what is? Okay, fine.
I accept. Thank you. What? Marble. You just got scammed!
I got scammed.
Guys, that was a scam. That's not even legendary. So let me tell you what I got. So I got this, what's it called again?
asking a number of
Marble
questions
match.
about
I got
what
this
he's
marble match.
proposing to do.
Um,
Now, as you
and
say, Jonathan, it's
some
an
people know what it is,
extraordinary
some people
24
don't.
hours, because on Sky News
So yeah,
yesterday,
it's a
Kwasi
fidget.
Kwarteng, the business
So
secretary,
we have a marble inside.
said that, yes, he
I
was in
got
touch
the
with
bear.
South
Oh my
about
god, I love it.
emergency aid
Look,
for
where's my bear?
companies
Where's my bear?
reeling from these
Here.
big energy
Look.
prices. And
Cute.
that prompted an
And then
extraordinary
I got
development.
this.
A Sky News
Riverly made it. Shout out to Riverly. But it is really fidgety. And I love it. Cool. I got this like little unicorn. Wait, where's like the hard side for this? Can you go get it to show them? Okay, so it's kind of cut, but it looks so good inside. And then as I showed you, the magnet rings. So yeah, she just got game. I mean, look at all of this, guys. Wait, where was the other one? Oh, here. So, so I got so many fidgets just for one little model that she threw across the room. Apparently it's a legendary one, it's not. A way to scam your friends or anybody. Riverly, what are you going to trade Mitzi?
Mitzi, what would you trade me for this legendary? It's not legendary.
Yes, it is. It is, because you can barely get them in shops.
I will have like this.
Oh my god, Riverly, I'll turn it into a circle.
No, I decline you're scamming me.
She's not that, she is legendary.
Yeah.
You can barely get that in the shop.
I give her this.
Okay, so I made this into a bracelet a bit. Sorry guys, you can go.
Actually, I would trade you this. It ain't legendary. Decline. Decline. That was legendary.
Legendary. You messed up, Mitzi Moo. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna trade somebody. Hold on. So I'm going to trade Riverly. Cheers, people. It's sad to say, but I gotta put this into the basket. My two baby bears. I love them so much. You know these mean a lot to me. And I'll even put my stretchy banana in. He's so stretchy. He looks like the one from Fortnite a bit. Oh, and it's squishy as well. And it's stretchy. Look at stretchy. This is okay. It looks like a long like potato.
He's in charge despite being on holiday.
Okay, what are you gonna add?
Because you love it so much.
Firmly on the Chancellor now.
The giant needle. Oh my god, look guys, this is like heaven. Look. Are you sure? Okay. I said. Guys, oh my god. I literally just got like the best, sorry. I literally just got, one of the best fidgets here, but the best. So I got this little pom-pom. I can just go like this with it, or like try and squeeze it. Maybe. I'm gonna put that in a random box. Like right here.
Probably trying to get this for me.
Oh, sorry. Right there. I'm gonna put it in. And then I got another part of a wacky track. So where's my wacky track? It's somewhere in there. Where's my wacky track? Did I trade it? Well, I can't find the other part of my wacky track. I don't know where it went. No, where it went. Okay. Anyway, then.
Should we go?
The best thing ever. A giant needle. Look how big this is. This is both my hands put together. Look. Oh, it feels so good. Listen.
is being
I think we
back
can
on
hear it,
again. It's
maybe.
been off
Oop,
since March.
it sticks my hand up.
Banana coming.
We've had the way you two a minute.
The
Bye.
future was very uncertain.
I need some money out here.
We found your secret
50 million
stash.
pounds
How
has been
much?
freed up.
Oh, what's
That allows
on?
them to
What's
turn the
on?
arc furnace back on,
Why?
and
I
the
wanna
company
find
says
one.
that
Wait a
will
minute, Rich.
guarantee the
Okay,
substantial majority of around
Out the
1,000
way!
jobs here and in Sheffield, which
Okay.
also relies on
Let's take a
arc furnace.
quick
Working arc
sip
furnaces
of
use
Coke.
electric arc furnaces use electricity to
I just
melt
know we're gonna keep
Okay.
talking.
The giant leader.
here in
Ah.
Rotherham,
Oh yeah, sorry for that, guys. She just needs to get money out of like the thing there. Anyway, now this was the best trade ever for me because I mean, look, I mean for my two brothers, thank you really. I mean, I know it's not real, but like either way. Sorry.
I broke it. Okay,
I'm gonna trade someone. Whoever says ABC first. ABC, if you want the strawberry squishy, hold on, hold your horses.
Call time.
This here, the squishy,
Stop.
and then the banana squishy. It's a different one because this is an actual squishy. You can't stretch it, and just a normal squishy. So who's gonna trade me for that?
Me.
Okay.
ABC.
He said ABC. Right, what are you gonna trade me? No, I just got rid of him. Give me like no.
Major users
Yes.
of energy
Yes.
wanting
Mhm.
assistance from the
Wait,
government.
can you write one more thing because I love the strawberry.
Okay, Gerard, in Rotherham,
No, no, can I
and
take?
as the supply chain issues and shortages continue, we ask, does Britain work
I've got
without
a hand, my
immigrants?
boy.
Tonight,
I
on the
saw.
Great Debate, you can
Wait.
expect that at 9 o'clock.
Take this out.
Except.
Except
Japanese whistleblower has told some Uyghur
Okay.
detainees are tortured and
I just
taken
got
to re-education centres,
this
adding it's
cute little
normal
fella,
for some
a
who
bat,
die,
the green one.
deny ill treatment
Do you know I
in
named him
training
Fred?
centres
Hold on.
terrorism.
Let me try make a name up for him.
Pictures of men and
Um,
women dancing and singing there.
Oh my god, this is so hard. Because he's a bear.
Maybe strawberry.
No.
Hi guys.
Velvet for this bear, obviously, because she's like velvet purple. And then maybe for Cuddles. I think it's Cuddles. And then I got this like little mini pocket. It's so good, guys. You can't hear it, but you will on the other side, maybe. This is what it looks like when it's been, once
This man says
it's been popped like that. Oh, like it's popping. Okay, anyway, and then look. That's what it looks like. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm from the Public Security Bureau. I'm protecting the regime. If you're the enemy,
Calm down if you heard that.
you would
And then I got another puppet.
everyone was
It's a
dealing with
cute
the
puppet,
enemy,
look.
and there was no
It's
need
a
for
purple, like,
courtesy.
hexagon, I think that's called.
It's
No.
restricted to full-time
Anyway,
control.
it's purple and
Right
it's so
now,
cute.
more than 900,000
I think you can hear it,
people have
maybe.
already been detained for numerous petty
If you
reasons.
can, this is like the best
Something
puppet
wrong.
I've heard.
We
Yeah.
detained them on orders from the superiors.
And
Not
let's
on any
flip
evidence.
over.
What kind of evidence can we have?
This
What
is
kind
like
of
the
evidence
best.
does this need? The detective, who asked to be identified only by the
Yeah.
surname Jan, revealed new details
Really,
about
do you want to show what you got?
treatment of
Like-
Uyghur detainees.
Oh wait, I've already showed them.
These images
Right, so
shock
Ripley,
the world.
you're gonna trade someone
They show
here,
prisoners
like
being unloaded
twice
from the
maybe.
train.
I trade
Jan told Sky News that this video most
Can I
likely
trade you
shows
for
prisoners
this?
from detention centres in Xinjiang
giant
being taken to a
puppet.
larger central
Ain't
facility
there slime in
because of
this?
different overalls they're
Like
wearing.
her bottom and stuff. Like that. Is that slime?
Yeah.
Oh my god, cut it
Gathered them
open.
together, put hoods
Well,
in
I
their
think
heads,
anyway.
two people handcuffed together to prevent them from escaping.
I trade you for this puppet and this.
Other parts of China back to Xinjiang, and that the conditions they endured
And
were
this.
grim.
Isaac.
During the
And
training,
you got
they're
scout.
only allowed 40
No, you didn't. There are lots of
to
squishies.
moisten their lips.
Ripley, who are you gonna trade now? Are you gonna trade Ripley
No,
again, or are you gonna trade me?
Can I
Destinations in
see what?
You get to trade. You get to trade someone twice, or
Okay,
trade both of
guys,
us.
I
No, not yet. Not yet.
got this.
Oh, show them.
And I got this squishy, but it's a little bit broken now. And I got this French fry squishy.
Two.
And that's it. Even this banana.
Yeah.
Even this one. Even this one.
Okay, there.
Okay. The red one.
Beverly, you get to trade me or Mitzi again.
Cold water. Put a water pipe in.
It was fun.
Oh, sorry.
Other unique
Stop.
If
Move out the way a minute. Look.
people die.
Hold on. Let me
That's
just.
how you get used to saying it. Please don't blame me.
Well.
How to say
What?
under this kind of management in the re-education centre.
Ooh.
These
Okay,
are
anyway.
subject to death.
Who's gonna be your second?
Wait, I got that.
No, you gave it to Beverly.
I want to trade
Though
it.
he has provided extensive documentation.
Okay.
This is not what never comes out. There's only 6 of them in the world.
No, that is a lie, guys. I used to have one when I was younger, and it was all in the stores. They only got sold out because everyone loved them. And they're starting to trade them again. And these are in my friend's nan's shop, and I used to go to her shop all the time. And yeah, it's a nice rice ball, but I know it's not legendary, so I'm not gonna give her a legendary like trade. Okay, so put it down. This is trading basket. I will give you
Well, stay with us because later in the program,
my last 2 like octopus puppets. I love this one so much. Let me show you. So it looks purple, yeah. This is purple, and then this side's blue, and it's unhappy. But when it goes this way, it's happy. And I don't get it because this side's more beautiful. And then this side's happy. It's blue. And then when I flip it over, it's a bit dirty, but it's fine. It's unhappy, like, then it's purple, white, and blue. So, I'll give you that. And it
Can
can
we say something else now? Literally. Can we say something else now, guys? Yay! Bye, guys.